Hello guys, welcome back to Runeterra Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Legends of Runeterra matchmaking has timed out or opponent failed to connect error on your PC and how to fix this up. So when you're having this issue, you don't have to get panicked. So first thing what you have to do is if you're on the PC, then you just have to go for over here in the start and go to settings and click on update and security and make sure that you're on the latest version of the Windows, right? The next one is all about next thing when you're having this issue, make sure that you are getting the Wi-Fi connection is all good, and it is all good. So if you are connecting, you have to make sure yourself that you are getting the internet connections or it is recharged. All things you have to make sure when you are having the matchmaking has timed out or opponent failed to connect, because it might be an internet connection issue. So these are two steps which you have to try out, and some of the redditors has mentioned this helped them to try to play the game. So if you find this video helpful, this is what it's all about. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. This is Shahin officially signing off from Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.